Every day, we rely on lots of public transport. One of the most popular vehicles in the city is urban railway. To make urban railway run efficient and safe, Hytera dedicated offered integrated radio solution. With standard TETRA infrastructures, accurate and professional radio coverage by using different antenna systems. Portable terminal for flexible services, and a tailored dispatching system for efficient management. Customized train-borne for personalized communication, Hytera built solid mesh network to bring train operation more efficient and safe. Relying on GPS or signaling system, the real-time graphic user interface shows accurate train positions. Fully visualized dispatching makes it easier and time-saving for operators to implement calling and data services. Train-borne acts as the main communication bridge between driver and operators, providing the voice communication and also integrating with other subsystems to carry essential services to double passenger safety. Since the system automatically switches talk folders according to train position, there is no need for drivers to change talk groups when entering stations and do help drivers focusing on train operation. Today, more than 50 railway projects and 2,000 kilometers rails worldwide are successfully running mission-critical radio communications network built with Hytera expertise.